Point D is plotted on the coordinate plane. Point D is then reflected across the x-axis and the y-axis. After both reflections, what are the coordinates of point D? So the coordinates of point D are currently -3, -5. It is 3 units left and 5 units down from the origin. If we're first going to do a reflection across the x-axis, that means the x value of -3 is going to stay the same. We're going to go 3 units left from the origin. But instead of going 5 units down, we're now going to reflect and do the opposite. We're going to go 5 units up. That brings us to the point -3, 5. After that reflection across the x-axis, we have the same x value but different y values, opposite y values. Instead of -5, we have 5. But now we need to also reflect across the y-axis. So we're going to take that point -3, 5 and reflect it across the y-axis, meaning the y values of the coordinates will be the same. We're still going up 5 from the origin. But instead of going left 3 to -3, we're reflecting. We're doing the opposite and going right 3. So that will bring us here to this ordered pair of 3, 5. So now if we compare the original ordered pair of -3, -5 and the double reflected, the reflected across the x-axis and the y-axis point, we get 3, 5. Both of the signs of the x and y values have switched. Instead of -3, it's +3. Instead of -5, it's +5. That happens with that double reflection. So 3, 5 is the coordinates of the new point D after those two reflections, making our answer choice A.